I know some of you complain about your moisturizers making you dark. I know some of you complain about your moisturizers continue to have breakouts. I know some of you complain about your moisturizers irritating your skin and it's not giving you that glow that you want. Well, guys, in today's video, I'm going to be recommending amazing moisturizers that you would use and will give you that glowing, bright skin that you've always wanted and desired. But guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, and also leave your comment. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. And yes guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about face creams, or should I say face moisturizers, because they are either called face cream or face moisturizers, but face moisturizer is the general name. Yes. And now what are these face moisturizers? Now, face moisturizers is an essential skincare product that you use in your skincare routine that will help to lock in moisture into your skin, that will help to protect your skin's barrier, and it will also help nourish your skin. So a face moisturizer is very much important in every skincare routine. Now, how it goes is either after you use your cleanser, you then use your toner. If you want to use a toner, then you use your serum, and then you go in with your moisturizer. That is how it works. Now, this moisturizer will help to lock in that moisture. So a moisturizer is very important in every skincare routine. I would advise that you need to look out for moisturizers that are hydrating, that will help to lock in moisture into your skin. Because see, if you are going in with any brightening skincare products, maybe you use a brightening face cream, maybe a lightening face cream, and you feel like that is okay for you, well, it is not okay for you. Because see, let me tell you, the thing about the matter is that for your skincare products to work, you would need a face moisturizer, a good face moisturizer that will help to lock in that moisture into your skin. Yes, so that all those your serums, your toners, your treatment cream, maybe your brightening cream, maybe you are using for your hyperpigmentation, will not escape from your skin. Yes, you would need a face moisturizer, and it is very important for you to get face moisturizers that are suitable. So how I'm going to be doing it now is that I'm going to be categorizing the moisturizers based on skin type, based on your skin type. So if you don't know your skin type, I have made a video on how to know your skin type, and I'm going to leave the link to that video down on my description box for you guys. That video would explain to you how you know your skin type, because I have been explaining it for all my videos. Okay, so but I'm going to be recommending products according to your skin type. Okay, now the first skin type on my list is oily skin. Now, if you have oily, acne prone skin, you will need a moisturizer that is lightweight, that is non-comedogenic, and is water based. Yes, you need something that is very lightweight, that will not clog your pores, okay, that will not bring more harm to your skin than good. You need something that's going to just help to lock in moisture into your skin, so that your sebum will not have excess production of sebum or oil that will end up clogging your pores. Okay, ingredients you need to look out for in moisturizers if you have an oily skin. You need to look out for ingredients like salicylic acid, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. These are the three key ingredients you need to look out for, because hyaluronic acid will help to, in fact, that is the key ingredient. It will help to lock in that moisture. Then when it comes to salicylic acid, it will help to control oil production on your skin. It will help to unclog your pores. It will also help to gently exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cells. Now the niacinamide will help to control oil production on your skin, and it's also going to help to brighten out dark spots on your skin. So these are ingredients that you need to look out for your oil or acne prone skin type. Now, the first moisturizer I'm going to be recommending is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. Guys, this moisturizer is amazing. Like, I have used one of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost products before, but one I used had a pink container. It contained AHA. That one was more of like a nighttime treatment cream. But guys, this one in which I'm talking about is the Hydro Boost Gel, and it's super good, and it is lightweight. The key ingredients used in this particular product is hyaluronic acid, and this hyaluronic acid is super good. It is super good. Our second product is Face Facts Blemish moisturizing gel. Guys, this moisturizer is amazing, and this moisturizer contains ingredients like salicylic acid, niacinamide, and ceramide. So it contains some of the ingredients I told that you need in your skin, in your face cream. Like ceramide will help to protect your skin's barrier. It also helps to suit your skin. Then niacinamide and salicylic acid, what they do for the skin is super amazing. So it's an amazing skincare product for your skin. Now the second moisturizer you need to look out for is the Face Fact Bright and Clear face cream. Guys, this moisturizer is amazing. Like, it contains key ingredients like azelaic acid, niacinamide, kojic acid, and tranexamic acid. So if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have dark spots, guys, this moisturizer is good for your skin. It's going to give you your skin that glow. In fact, this moisturizer is like a treatment cream. So if you want to make use of it, I advise that you use it only at night. But if you want to use it in the daytime, make sure you go with your sunscreen. But please use it at night, okay? Use it only at night so that you will not damage your skin. Now, if you have a dry skin, okay, let us move down to people with dry skin. If you have a dry skin, you're the ones that even need this moisturizers very, very well. So you need to go in for heavyweight moisturizers that is oil-based, like oil-based heavyweight moisturizers. That's the kind of moisturizers you need to look out for. You shouldn't be kidding in you shouldn't be playing around with moisturizers, because your skin tends to be dry, flaky, scaly. So you want to go in with something that's going to bring moisture into your skin. So and you need to look out for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramide. These are key ingredients you need to look out for in any face moisturizer you want to get. Now, the moisturizer I'm going to be recommending is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. This moisturizer is super amazing. The only thing is that it might be pricey, but it is amazing. If you can afford it, well, you're good. But if you cannot afford the CeraVe, then you can go in with the Face Fact moisturizing gel cream. Guys, this one it is amazing. Like, it is super amazing. It contains ingredients like ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and oats. These are 3 key ingredients that is good. So if you have a sensitive skin, you should also look out for this moisturizer because of the oats in which it contains, because oats will help to protect your skin. It helps sensitive skin a whole lot. Okay, so this is an amazing moisturizer you can also get. Another moisturizer that you can also get if you have dry skin is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. Guys, this one is amazing, and it contains ingredients like vitamin E and jojoba oil. So if you have an oily skin, if you have a dry skin, what are you waiting for? Go and buy it. It is super good. You just select any of these moisturizers in which I mentioned that is for your skin type. Now, for people who have sensitive skin, your skin type, you need something that is really gentle, something that is fragrance free, hypoallergenic, and soothing. So these are ingredients you need to look out for when getting skincare products. And the ingredients you need to look out for is aloe vera. Okay, you need aloe vera gel. You need anything with aloe, you need it in your skincare routine. And a moisturizer I'm going to be recommending is the Face Fact moisturizing gel cream. Guys, this moisturizer is amazing, like, because of the ingredients it has in it, like ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and oats. These are amazing ingredients that are good for people with sensitive skin. Another moisturizer again I'm going to be recommending is the Simple Kind to Skin replenishing face cream. Guys, this moisturizer is amazing. Like, I feel like this moisturizer was specifically made for people with sensitive skin, because why on earth would this moisturizer be so nice, so lightweight, and really, really gentle on the skin? Like, this moisturizer is super gentle on the skin. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you can also try out this particular moisturizer. This is aloe vera gel. Guys, this moisturizer is amazing. Like, you need to try it out. Like, it will help to soothe and calm your skin. Like, if you know you have a damaged skin barrier, you can also use it. Oily skin people, you can also use it. So this one is super amazing. Like, it is super amazing if you have dry skin, if you know your skin is damaged. In fact, I feel like this aloe vera is good for every skin type, so you can actually make use of this particular moisturizer. So the next skin type is people with combination skin. So if you have combination skin, you know that your skin type is a mixture of both dry and oily skin, and you need to also be very careful when picking out skincare products. So you will not pick out skincare product that is extremely that is too harsh on your skin. You want to go in with skincare product that will help to balance your your combination skin. Like one moisturizer I'm going to be recommending is the Face Fact Blemish Gel, a moisturizing gel. Like, it is super amazing. So if you have a combination skin, you can use it because it contains ingredients like ceramide, it contains salicylic acid and niacinamide, which are ingredients that double for both sensitive skin, dry skin and oily skin. And another moisturizer that you can try out is the Face Fact Bright and Clear Face Cream. So you can also use this one as well, because you know the oily part of your skin, which is your T-zone area, maybe that area might have dark spots there, you might have hyperpigmentation there. So it's going to help to take care of that part of your skin and also your skin in general. So if you have normal skin, you guys are the lucky ones. You guys are the lucky ones here, because you guys can actually make use of anything and it's going to really work on your skin. Like you guys are really lucky. So a particular face moisturizer I'm going to be recommending is the Face Fact Brightening Face Cream. Guys, this one is amazing. It contains vitamin C and it is super amazing. It is an amazing face cream. Like, it's going to help to brighten out your skin. You don't need to even worry about anything. It's going to brighten out your skin and it's also going to moisturize your skin for you. Another face moisturizer I'm going to be recommending is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Face Cream. Guys, this one is good. Like, it's going to help to glow your skin, give you that even tone. It's going to help to find your skin is going to be bright. Like, it's going to really glow your skin up. So this one is also another amazing moisturizer for your face. Now, another moisturizer that you can actually use is the Beauty Formula Vitamin C Brightening Face Cream. Guys, this one is good. It's also very much good, and the key ingredient is vitamin C, which is going to help to brighten out your skin and give you that glow that you've always wanted. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments. Tell me about any video you want me to make for you. Ask your questions, leave your suggestions and all under the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So till then, bye.